Every blues starts with a rhythm and a bass line. Give me that low E string, just slightly palm muted and play it every quarter note. But this is a bit boring, so we end with a G and an A. Okay, so this begs for a melody on top, right? So let's... Very basic melody. From B to A to E. But it still doesn't feel right, the melody. It needs to end different. So we're gonna, at the top two strings, open. Great. Needs more mojo. So we had two pull-offs to the melody. To the second and third notes. Nice. And that ending is a bit boring. Let's turn it into a power chord on the afterbeat. Nice, that's it. Great. So every blues eventually goes to the 4 chord, which is the A in this case. So let's jump to that A string, play the same thing, quarter notes, but now we play an alternating bass pattern, which goes like this. A, E, A, E, A, E. Very simple. And let's add the same ending again. So we go to the C and the D. And we need a melody. Okay? Goes like this. And if we combine that melody with the bass pattern, it sounds like this. Sweet. What was that? We spice up that ending. Alright, that's it. Back to E. The 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. Let's jump to that B. Alright, and now on B we play a melody, which goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Very basic. On the 3 and we jump to the B string, to the D and back to B. You can do a hammer on. And on B2 we add that power chord. And then we go to A, same thing, melody on E, G and A. We need a power chord as well, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. That's nice. So the B and E together, it sounds like this. 2, 3, 4. And then we go back to E, of course. And on that E, we play the following while the sun is setting. We play this. From D to E and G, 2 times D. 4. But that first D note, we turn it into a double stop, like this. And we slide into the notes, which makes it sound more groovy, right? 1. We play it once, and then we go to the last chord of this blues, the B again. B7 in this case. And we play an alternating bass pattern from the A string to the D string. 1. And we add the melody. And if you're feeling groovy, you can add the chord to this. And that's the entire thing. Let me play it one more time in total. 3, 4. Alright, this is good, but don't we need some fuzz and a bend. That's great. Alright, and that's the blues. So you can find the tabs for everything I played on my Patreon page. So feel free to check it out if you want to support me and grab the tabs with it. And let's turn this into an Instagram challenge. So play this, tag me on Instagram @PaulDavisGuitar, and let's do a hashtag. Let's do the hashtag blues challenge @PaulDavisGuitar. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video /lesson /challenge, inspirational video, or whatever you want to call it. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time with another video. And this is a nice guitar, right? B and G, a little sister. It sounds great as well, with some nice fuzz. Ooh, chunky tones. It sounds great.